How's it going, guys? Out here at the lot, getting ready to test this no spill can that I put this new cap on, the new nozzle. We're gonna see if this thing leaks or not. I did add a valve on the back, bleeder valve, so it comes out a little bit faster. I tried it without that, and really without that it still does the same thing. So I did add a bleeder valve to the back, and the drill bit, it drilled the perfect hole. It fit pretty snug, so I'm not worried about it popping out or stuff leaking through that spot. So yeah, let's try this out and see how it does. So as you can see, I added this little vent on the left hand side top, and I think when I go to pour, that should be high enough to where it shouldn't affect it. I mean, I don't fill it all the way to here anyway, so I think it should be all right. So yeah, let's give it a shot, see how it goes in. I did fill some of this yesterday, so it's pretty, this thing's already pretty full. So we'll do it without the vent, or yeah, without using this, and then with. This is glugging. About 3 glugs. Yep, no leaks. So that's a good sign, no leaks. So now we'll do it, and we'll pop this little vent off. Try it now. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that works great. So far so good. Definitely getting full quick. Oh yeah, she's topped off. So yeah, just a quick video, guys. No leaks on that anywhere on this. The vent worked out really good. So yeah, no complaints so far. You know, we'll use it for the next year or so, and see how it does. See if this thing cracks, or we'll see how that does. But yeah, so far so good. Just a quick update. See you guys.